Now let's go ahead and run the setup file. So /setup.sh, I'll click yes here, and let's wait for the installation process to start. I'll prompt you when there are certain sections that require installation, but for now, let's just go through and nuke this previous installation. And let's go through the setup process. It's downloading and installing some packages. It'll install Capstone. It will then install Python and then repair Python as well. So we'll just wait for that prompt. Here's the Python 2.7.5 setup. I need to repair the Python installation. So I click on repair and finish. And this will then install the Python 2.7.5 files that are required by the Veil Evasion. Click finish. And we also need to install PyWin32. So click next and next and again next. Let the installation process of PyWin32 complete. And then it will ask us to install one more file, which is coming up shortly. Just wait for this to complete and then we'll go ahead and install the other program as well. These are all programs required by the Veil Evasion program. We'll wait for this to finish. I'll click finish here. And once I click finish, it should give me another installation. PyCrypto 2.6. I click next, next, next. And this will install PyCrypto. Wait for that to finish and then we'll click the finish button and we will finish the installation of Veil Evasion shortly. So once that's done, I can click on finish here and then let's look at what else is required by the Veil Evasion program. Remember, it's going to download and install a bunch of programs and we'll just wait and see what else is required. I'll click OK here. This will install Ruby. I accept the terms. And I click next. I will tick all these little boxes here just to make sure we don't miss anything. Click these check boxes and then I'll click on install and we'll install Ruby. I'll just overwrite the folder. Yes. You may not have this option. I've already installed it previously, so I've had to overwrite the folder. And we'll just wait for this Ruby 1.8.7 to finalize. Now we can click on finish here to finalize the setup. And let's look at what else the Veil Evasion program requires. Let's just wait for the final installation to complete by clicking finish here. We'll move on to the next step. Now we'll just wait for the rest of the packages to be installed. It might take a short while depending on your internet speed, but we are almost done with the installation and there will be one more step required just before the finalization of the Veil Evasion program. We'll just wait for the last packages to be installed, and once the installation is finished, we will be prompted to put in the Metasploit directory. I'll just wait for that screen to show up and explain how it will work. Here we have the option to please enter the path of your Metasploit installation. I'll finalize this video, and in the next video we will enter the path for the Metasploit installation.